Have you ever wondered how a simple piece of fabric becomes the clothes you wear every day? Today, we'll explore the complete journey of clothing manufacturing inside a modern garment factory. Everything begins with research, where designers study fashion trends and customer requirements. They transform ideas into detailed sketches and technical designs using advanced CAD systems.
Next, technical specifications define measurements, fabric types, colors, and construction requirements.
Pattern makers then convert the design into precise garment templates called patterns. Modern factories digitize these patterns for greater accuracy and easier future modifications. Before mass production, a sample garment is carefully created for evaluation. Buyers review the sample to identify any design, fitting, or quality issues. Once approved, this sample becomes the standard reference for production. The approved pattern is graded into various sizes, like small, medium, large, and extra large. Engineers create markers that arrange pattern pieces to minimize fabric waste. Efficient markers can utilize up to 8% of available fabric.
Next comes fabric spreading, where many layers are stacked together precisely.
Automation ensures even fabric tension and alignment throughout the spreading process. The marker guides automated cutters that accurately cut dozens of layers simultaneously. After cutting, every garment component is carefully separated and identified. The pieces are sorted and bundled to prevent production mix-ups. These bundles are distributed to different sewing stations across the factory. Now begins the heart of garment manufacturing, the sewing process. Factories often use straight-line layouts to maintain a continuous production flow. Some facilities prefer U-shaped layouts to improve communication and efficiency. Specialized machines perform specific tasks, such as flat lock seam construction. Other machines attach waistbands, collars, cuffs, and garment hems.
After assembly, garments move to the finishing section for final refinement.
Pressing ensures every garment has the correct appearance and professional shape. Essential details like buttons, zippers, labels, and trims are added. Some garments, especially denim, receive special washing treatments for unique looks. Quality control teams inspect every stage to identify defects and inconsistencies. Factories often follow internationally recognized AQL quality standards before shipment.
Approved garments are folded, tagged, and packed into protective bags.
The packed garments are boxed and prepared for global distribution. Modern factories also recycle fabric waste into new materials, creating a more sustainable future for fashion. From design to delivery, that's how clothes are made. Like, share, and subscribe for more textile engineering videos.